What if I told you that just one potato slice could transform your plants in ways you never imagined? Stick around, because today I'm going to show you a gardening trick that will take your plants to the next level. Potatoes aren't just food for us. They're a powerhouse of nutrients for plants too. A simple slice of potato is loaded with starch, potassium, phosphorus, and vitamins that help boost root growth, strengthen stems, and even improve flowering. To try this hack, you only need a fresh potato slice, a healthy plant stem, a piece of soft string or garden tape. Here's how you do it. 1. Take a thick slice of potato, about ½ inch. 2. Make a small slit in the middle so it can sit snugly against the plant stem. 3. Gently place the slice onto the lower part of your plant stem, just above the soil line. 4. Tie it lightly with string or tape so it stays in place but doesn't damage the stem. That's all. Simple and effective. As the potato slice begins to break down, it slowly releases nutrients into the stem and soil. This acts like a mini slow-release fertilizer right where your plant needs it most. You'll notice stronger stems, greener leaves, and in many cases, faster growth and more blooms.